What is up, y'all? It's your boy DT from the Ball on Budget channel. Today we're gonna be playing some carxstreet. I just thought I might as well give you guys a video because it's been a while. This is my RSX. This shit pretty clean. I'm just gonna do a little car build for you guys today or something. You already know, balling on a budget on the windshield, man. Oh shit, why did it just do that? Oh my god, bro. Hey, that shit kinda hard though. Hold on. Oh, hold on. That shit kinda hard though. You already know the boy banner, man. I wish you could import like designs to this game. I don't even know what car I'm finna build, but I'll put it in the title probably. The E36, we go like stance drift build type of thing. Dude, the S14 would be tough. I'm not even gonna lie. I might have to go with the S14 or the S15. Damn, I don't know. They're both so clean. Y'all think we finna go with the S15, man? Ah, shit. Guys, don't worry about that. I definitely have garage space. Look, there's S15 right there. Finna drive to the crib so we get the S15 real quick. So y'all can see the RSX doing pulls and shit. It's not boosted, it's just NA. What the fuck? It just popped, barely even going. I think it makes like... I low-key forgot, I'm not even... Bro! Chill out. Shit. It's like I'm in the middle of the road. That's my fault. Redline the fuck out of third. I'm finna pull over real quick. Damn, the pops though. I bet if y'all hear the controller. The pops are low-key loud though. Nah, that shit look clean. I could put that in a video too. Like the intro type shit. Alright, no more, y'all. Oh shit, that's my bad. Oh shit, I didn't even know you was behind me, bro. Watch out. Alright, my bro, just wait, bro. Damn. Wait, how do I get in here? Oh, I just nope. Alright, y'all. I think we switched cars. Oh shit, it was up here. I just had to go a little bit more up. Damn, this shit's low-key fresh. I just stalled. But I'm playing on controller right now, so I can't really do much clutch control. Let's see if we can swing. Ooh, that turbo though. Yo, why are you calling me, bro? Oh my god, you made me stall. It's like... Yo, this shit's looking on bad stock. I can't see. Let's go to the tuning shop first. Bro, who the fuck? This shit not bad stock sliding. My bad if it's laggy, guys. Aw. Forgot to clutch in. Bro, those pops sound crazy though. Alright, let's see. We gonna go with suspension first. Y'all already know. We gonna buy springs first. Let's do the elite. Oh, we're gonna lower this shit. Damn. Damn, this shit is dumped. Oh my god, hold on. Yo, this shit is dumped. Nah, fuck it. We just gonna spend this. Let's go. We gotta go maxed out, y'all. The fitment is ass. Just trust the process, y'all. We gotta go with the max steering angle. Alright, now we gotta get some spacers. Gotta get the ultimate. Y'all already know. Y'all want the best fitment? Go ultimate, man. Okay, I thought it would stick out more. Is the S15 just wide as shit? See, like the rear. Damn, the fitment is kind of insane though. Or, bro, the swap RB BR, the BR26 is crazy. You put a VQ in this shit. I never swapped any of the car's motors yet, so I don't know. Yeah, let's do it. Damn, my first time buying a motor in this game. I wish you could rev the car, but it won't let you. I don't know why. Wait, we gotta grab the ECU. I'm just gonna go with this one. I guess a better block. Upgraded turbo kit. Alright, bet. Now, let's see. We're gonna raise this up. Oh, we gotta go max boost, y'all. Y'all already know. Okay, what diff is this? Bro, we gotta go welded. Y'all already know. Let's go with a sport clutch. We might have to raise it though, because I'm about to get different wheels and a body kit. We should have probably did the body kit first. That should slide like butter though, even without the the tires I want. You already know we gotta go on E85, bro. This shit kind of rips though. Damn. Bro, y'all saw that clipping point on the sign though? That shit was kind of fresh. That was another clipping point, trust. Let's go with the street plus, and then we gotta go with E85. Y'all already know, man. Sheesh. Oh, my bad. Yep, continue on with your day. You're not even extending insurance or no? Alright, good. I don't think that dude had insurance, that's why he did. I will go to the body shop now. I can't see where I'm going. It just looks sick for the clips. I've been recording for a little minute already, man. I gotta just like finish these damn videos. But yeah, here's a video for you guys today. Ooh, bro, see, this is what I'm talking about, bro. The fucking kit. Oh my god, bro. Y'all don't look at my tires. That shit's all sticking out. Fuck, bruh. The rocket bunny. Bro, even with the bash bar, that shit go. Bro, the intercooler is on the floor. Nah, that shit will be gone in real life. I can't see anything. The shit is all in the way. This one just has a third brake light and like a diffuser kind of thing in the middle. I don't even know. Y'all, we gotta get the eyelids. Come on. Ooh, hold on. Because look at those first ones. That shit is hard. They don't got like all clear ones. They got like aftermarket shit. You already know. We gotta go with like the BN style shit. Yo, these camera angles are hard though. Damn, no 326 wing though. Should we go no wing? Or should we do like the little lip? I guess we'll do a little lip for now. Could always change it later. I don't really like the burnt tips, but that's kind of all they have. These are some fat ass tires though. I gotta fix that. Knew we had to go back to the fucking shop. See, I fuck with these. Yo, these the G wheels, bruh. The Z, yeah. Everybody be running Z stocks. Oh look, the R34. Oh, the R34 wheels? We could go with the Z wheels too. Or we could just like, I don't know, I kind of like that mismatch look though. We gonna leave it like that for now. Maybe in another video I could do some shit for y'all, man. I don't know. This game has so much customization. That's why I fuck with this game, bro. I'm not finna add the stickers, man. This is already a long ass video that I gotta edit once again. Yo, y'all think I can gap this charger? The pops are insane. I didn't put 10 on it, I just realized. This shit's fishbowl. Damn, this shit is hard though. Yo, this shit's on the ground. I can't see where I'm going though. Oh shit, hold on. We gotta raise this shit up. That don't even look like a 40 profile though. Let's do 35. Damn, let's do the 225 actually. Damn, that shit tucking. Hold on. Yo, that shit tucking. I don't know if you could tuck 18s in it. Wait, actually that's basically tucking. Yo, actually it is. But I gotta raise this shit regardless, so that shit don't even matter. I think that's pretty solid. No more slammed on the ground. I mean, it still is fucking low though. I know the stance boy is gonna be like, this shit is not low, bruh. Go with like, oh, I forgot to paint the fucking eyelids, bruh. Oh, it's nighttime now. Bro, that's how long I've been fucking playing this shit. It's like... We going like realistic slides only though. Oh my god.
Hola, amigo. Show me what you got.
Yo, end this fucking call, bro. Wait, he wants a bet? Wait, hold on. He wants a race? Shit, this is like Need for Speed. Fuck, I don't know. I don't know how fast this dude is. Wait, what is he driving? I've never raced in this game with NPCs. Fuck it.
Nice bet, amigo. Let's do it.
Why does he sound like that? Is he in the GTI right now? I'm gonna gap this shit. Fuck, I'm fucking getting gapped. I'm losing. This shit is spinning like crazy. I'm getting gapped, bro. I'm getting gapped. I totally said I was gonna gap this shit. But guess what, y'all? I'm finna gap this shit. Watch this shit. Damn, this bitch is pushing, though. Oh my god. Bro, this shit just spins too much. This is a drift car. This is not made for straight line racing, bro. I made this strictly drift. Oh my god, I'm understeering. Yo, he's gapping the fuck out of me. I'm about to lose this bread, bruh. I'm just gonna slide it out. Fuck it. Oh, damn, I'm on the curb. Damn, he up 6 bands. I just lost 3 bands to a fucking GTI, bruh. Just wait. Next build is gonna be fast as fuck. I'm gonna build some crazy shit. Not again, bro. Get the fuck out of my way, bro. You just fucked up my shit, bro. Y'all fuck with it though? RB swap S15. I almost just hit that pole. It's hard to tell. I can't even like look at this shit. I don't even know where I'm going. my fucking god. If this dude with the GTI calls me one more time, I'm about to crash. Get the fuck out of my way, bruh. This game looks sick at nighttime.
I pull up in that Benz truck. Yeah, I want that hoe and I want her frame. Yeah, she geeked up on the Zans. Yeah, we pull up in that big body. All these hoes, yeah, they on me. Ay, pull up in that Benz truck. Yeah, I want that hoe and I want her frame. Yeah, she geeked up on the Zans. Yeah, we pull up in that big body. All they hoes, yeah, they want me. Yeah, they want me. Yeah, she pull up.
Alright, y'all. This is the end of today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. And I hope you guys enjoy the cinematics too. More vids coming soon, hopefully. Let me know. Do y'all fuck with the S15 build? But I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.